Welcome back. This is the quarterfinals in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz, and the scores have been adjusted. Mount Airy is on 7 and Bamboo is also on 7. In the first section, in which of the Gospels are the Beatitudes outlined, Bamboo said Matthew and Luke, and some of the Beatitudes are indeed found in Luke, and so the judges accepted their answer. Let's now move on to the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in mathematics, and we begin with Lexon Morgan from Mount Airy and Romaine Hawthorne from Bamboo. Lexon, on a 24-hour clock, the time is 0415 hours. What is the equivalent time on a 12-hour clock?
Who's going to please repeat?
I'm not able to. Would you like to try, Romaine?
No, thank you.
4:15 a.m. Lexon, what is the equivalent of 1,298 in Roman numerals?
M C C X C V I.
That is correct. Lexon, what is 569 multiplied by 5, rounded to the nearest thousand?
$3,000.
Correct. Which of these is the largest fraction? A third, 5/8, a half, or a quarter?
5/8.
Correct. And what is 117 times 12?
$1,404.
Correct. Romaine, your questions. On a 24-hour clock, the time is 2,216 hours. What is the equivalent time on a 12-hour clock?
10:16 p.m.
Correct. What is the equivalent of 1,348 in Roman numerals?
M C C C X L VII.
Correct. What is 788 multiplied by 4, rounded to the nearest hundred?
3,200.
Correct. Which of these is the largest fraction? 4/9, 3/8, 5/12, or 1/3?
4/9.
Correct. And what is 79 times 11?
869.
5 for 5 for Romaine. We move on to science. Mount Airy's Damir Horton is up against Sanique Valentine from Bamboo. Damir, what type of mixture is sugar and water?
Solvent.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Sanique?
No, thank you.
A solution. Damir, in order to germinate, seeds need warmth, moisture, and which gas?
Carbon dioxide.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Sanique?
Yes, please. Oxygen.
That's correct. Damir, complete this statement with the correct word. The chain on a bicycle is an example of the simple machine called a?
Wheel and axle.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Sanique?
No, thank you.
It's a pulley. Damir, what is the name given to a cud-chewing animal? Would you like to try, Sanique?
No, thank you.
Ruminant. And Damir, which of the following has potential energy? Is it A, a chair, B, a fire, or C, wind?
A chair.
That is correct. Sanique, what verb tells what happens to sugar when it is mixed with water?
Filtration.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Damir?
No, thank you, miss.
It dissolves. Sanique, during germination, the young root and shoot emerge through which part of a seed?
The stem.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Damir?
No, thank you, miss.
It's the seed coat or tester. Sanique, complete this statement with the correct word. The handbrake in a car is an example of the simple machine called a?
Lever.
Correct. What is the name given to a 4-footed animal? Would you like to try, Damir?
Yes, thank you, Miss. Quadruped.
That is correct. Sanique, what energy transformation takes place when a piano is played? Is it A, mechanical to sound, B, mechanical to music, or C, mechanical to electrical?
Mechanical to sound.
That is correct. We move now to English. This is Jacob Buchanan from Mount Airy up against Anna Murphy from Bamboo. Jacob.